we're gonna have to do some mud bogging, and it's gonna get pretty muddy. Yeah, just gonna ride up on top of here. Oh my god. I mean, this is more water than mud. Oh my. Of course, him and his nice luxury side-by-side. Must be fun for him. Just kidding, I like the dirt bike. Anyways. If I sound any different, it's probably because I got these elastic things in my mouth because I have braces. And I can't really open up my mouth. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but the bike's already so muddy, so I don't think it really matters if we go through mud, honestly. We need to find some highlands, some nice dry stuff. I mean, it has been raining for the last 2 days, and we finally started seeing some sun. And we're like, yeah, we gotta go riding. Plus, there's so much school and stuff, and I'm going for the sport award, and I've caught up in all these sports and stuff, and it's just crazy. This is definitely not where we cross on the highway. We cross like way more down there. But I mean, I don't really care. I'll do some highway riding. I got the ponies and the... Never mind. Looks like I gotta stay here, guys. Where's this kid going? This is cool. Oh my god. That's gonna get a little gnarly. You want me to... I don't know what's up with that. Are you guys seeing this? What's up with people and trying to make me do all this stupid stuff? Worst part is, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, that helped a lot. No. Go, 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 go. I'm going. Taking the inside lane. And the trail splits into two. I'm gonna guess this. I have no clue what gear I'm in, but not much torque in this gear. Well, these are the trails I'm used to seeing, all this rutted up and muddy. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna follow the trail. And of course it gets muddy at the bottom. See, the nice high ground was like nice and dry, and now what the heck? put that there? I'm gonna stay to this side. Oh yeah, I just got hit by mud in the back of the neck. That was nasty. Right in the neck. Oh yeah, this is sketch. Well, that's pretty cool. I wonder who parked that there. Yep, I just stalled my bike. It goes everywhere in the side-by-side. This is pretty weird.
Yeah, it actually looks nice on the inside.
How did somebody even get this here?
The inside is genuinely nice.
Does it have an engine? What? Yeah, I'm videoing this.
The seats are nice.
Stick shift.
Dual motor right now. Wait, shake it? That's the body, that's not even the suspension shaking.